music fans get there early to enjoy the sounds of Dale Watson.
I heard he was coming up here, so I had to come see.
More than just watch, this mother and daughter decided to dance.
I know a lot of other people aren't dancing, but we just can't help it. You just gotta feel the music.
This performance is part of the Party on the Plaza series on the Texas Lottery Plaza at the Toyota Music Factory. Hearing about this act was motivation for some to come check out the Irving venue for the first time.
I'm actually surprised how comfortable it is.
It's very laid back and very nice.
Yeah.
More comfortable after a lot of updates to the plaza we learned about before this show.
Gosh, a lot of changes out here.
Yeah, it's all new. It feels great around here now after the AstroTurf, the brand new bars, the furniture.
When it opened, you can see the plaza was a lot different than it is today.
What kind of issues were you working to overcome with the old design? What kind of things were you hearing that you said, hey, maybe we could try something different?
I think it just felt like just a piece of concrete out here, and people wanted to have more of a nature feel.
People are now more comfortable relaxing on the artificial grass and sofas to enjoy a show.
Are you ready? Are you gonna dance?
Well, it's nice, isn't it? It's kind of like being in your backyard. You got these nice chairs to sit in, green grass, even though it's artificial grass. So it's really turned into be more of a family gathering, which is great. That's what we wanted to see. We wanted to see families out here enjoying their time together.
At the recent Irving Marathon, we saw a lot of runners sticking around and using the plaza as a spot to recover from their run and relax with their families.
I hadn't been out here in a while, but I just love this.
And it does not stop with the marathon or these Thursday night concerts.
What are some of the other ideas you have for this space?
We'll be bringing back movie nights. We want everyone to be doing their community events out here and all kinds of stuff. I'm willing to explore all options.
Oh, we can work this out.
Because when the plaza is pumping, the surrounding restaurants do well.
Everyone's going to be eating at all these places before and after. Like, it brings business to everybody. That's the whole point of it. We want everyone to be successful here.
It just gives everybody a reason to come down here.
Parties on the plaza that bring music and money to Irving. Thomas Gandy for City Source.
My baby makes me great.